One of the reasons traders lose trades and constantly fail in the forex market is because they just get into the market without any knowledge and strategy. Hello traders, my name is BlackheadFX and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you steps to become profitable. Let's get right into it. Now, the first concept you want to understand is liquidity. Now, right here on my screen, I've actually drawn a chart showing two types of liquidity. Although we have other concepts of liquidity, but I will just stick to this for now. In my next video, I'm going to do more on give more example of liquidity. Now, what is actually liquidity? Liquidity refers to orders. Now, without liquidity, the market won't move. Liquidity actually drives the market. That's what the retail, the institutional traders are looking up to. So they go for liquidity because that's the basic thing that drives the market. Without liquidity, liquidity refers to money. So without liquidity, the market won't move. So right here, what we can see here is a buy side liquidity and a sell side liquidity. Now, what this means is that right here on this buy side liquidity, we can see that price actually formed a higher high, higher low, lower high, and here would be like a break of structure to some traders, thinking that when price comes back to this zone here, they'll be looking for a short trade. So, and there will also be people that are waiting for price to break out this zone here, retest, and start to buy up. You understand? So what we can see here is a lot of traders waiting around this zone here for a retest to continue this sell, and also other traders waiting around here for price to break out, form a retest, and continue buying up. But you can see how price actually took them out. So this is because they do not understand the concept of liquidity. Now, like I said, price go for orders. That's what the market is targeting, early buyers and early sellers. So right here, we see this buy side liquidity. What we expect price to do from this zone is give a breakout, probably close by a weak candle, close below the range, form a change of character. If price had taken out this high, would have been looking for maybe some sort of retest like this that would take us higher. But from the reaction you will get on a zone, you would see price form a retest, and this would be the right spot to get in from. I'm also going to talk more about candlestick patterns and how you can actually work with candlesticks, because most of the time price will give you a confirmation with candlesticks. So if you understand candlesticks, you also know what I'm talking about. But I'll also create a video that would give you more clarity about candlesticks and how you can use it for confirmation and other market confluence. So that's that for this. And here it's a simple strategy to understand liquidity. This is also another simple liquidity step. From here, you see how price form a higher high. It actually also applies when we are in a downtrend. But in this example, we target right here on this liquidity. After price took out the buy side liquidity, our next target will be the sell side liquidity, just like what I've marked around here. So what these guys are waiting for here will be for price to come to this zone here like this. They are also waiting for a break, for price to come, break, and retest for them to continue selling. But what they get most of the time is price would come here, give us a break like this, and continue buying up. So price comes to fish for buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity before making the real move. So these traders here, they are waiting for something like this for price to give a break, then retest. The stop loss will be around here, and they are waiting for price to drop off. But most of the time, it doesn't work like that. Price just takes out the high and low before making the real move. Most of the time, it comes down, but in most cases, after taking out this buy side and liquidity, or taking out sell side and buy side liquidity, that's when the market makes the real move. Then here we'll see how price formed higher highs and higher low. Then you see how price also give a break of structure. So many traders would be looking at this zone here for a buy, to continue the buy, because I feel like this was a zone that breaks structure. Because let's say price is forming a range like this, so they feel like this is the zone that breaks structure, so this would be the zone that market is going to come and retest. But from here you can see how price accumulated, forming this high and low liquidity here. So right here we have this triple low liquidity and triple top liquidity as well. So this tells us that price is not ready to move yet. Price wants to take out liquidity. So we look for the opposing demand or supply zone to mark out for, just like so, or something like this. Also for if you're taking a short trade, so it actually applies for both sides, because you're looking at buying and selling. That's what we do in the forex market. So price comes, sweep out liquidity, form a change of character before price makes the real move. So what price does is price comes for orders, takes out the low liquidity and the high liquidity, and continue the real move. So I'm going to be taking you to the real chart to give you an example of this illustration I just gave. So as we can see here, we will see price has actually formed a high here and a low. You can see right here on CAD on the 30 minutes time frame, you see how price is forming a higher highs, higher lows. You see price didn't take out this low. If price had took out this low, this would have given us a confirmation that okay, we might be looking for a downtrend. So you see how price took out this high, price refused to take out this high. Instead, it came to fill in this imbalance and retest on this demand zone here, and price pushed up, taking out this range here, giving us another high. So we are overly in the uptrend, and from here you see we have this low and this low here. So this becomes our sell side liquidity here and our buy side liquidity. Because of my experience in the market, I know for sure that price wants to take out the sell side liquidity, the buy side liquidity, or takes out the sell side liquidity, come back to take out the buy side liquidity before forming the true move. So what I would do here is I would wait for either which price comes for first. So let's play this chart and let's see what price does. Okay, you could see how price came out, took out this buy side liquidity, so our target would be for price to come back here to take out this sell side liquidity here. But we're not just going to get into the markets without extra market confluence. So let's go to the 15 minutes and see if we have an extra market confluence. Okay, so from here we will see how price, using candlesticks as our confirmation, you see from here this candle closed as a wick, and this candle refused to take out this candle here, engulfing this first, second and third candle with a full body range. So from here, this gives me a confirmation. If you want to go lower on the 10 minutes time frame to get an extra confirmation, you see that we have this candle closure here. You would have been able to get in a trade from here, targeting this low as your take profit, but you want to see a clearer confirmation. So, and also another confluence you want to use is imbalance. I'm going to talk about imbalance in one of my videos. I'm going to make a video on that, so I want you to stick to this channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'll be dropping amazing content that will help you grow financially in the forex market. So right here we can see that we have this imbalance and we have markets ranged from this zone before pushing down. So I'm going to mark out this zone as my supply zone. So I'm looking at if price comes back to this zone, I'll be looking to take my profit around the sell side liquidity here. So let's put our entry here and our stop loss above the high. This may be wrong, but let's see what price will do. So my target will be here, like so. So I'm going to play this chart and see what we'll get. You can see how we got that pinpoint entry here. Price came in, tapped in this imbalance and starts to drop off. So our target right here is this sell side liquidity. So in most cases, you would be eager to close your trades because you feel price is going to pull back. For sure, price will definitely pull back, but first, price needs to clear out the sell side liquidity before making its true move. So as you can see, we got to this range, and in most cases, price just close around here and starts to retrace because price has fulfilled its order, taking out buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. So that's for this, and I'm going to be giving you the second example for another liquidity concept that you should know. Right here on CAD CHF, you can see how price is forming. We are still in the uptrend here. Price formed higher highs. For a high is higher high, higher low. Then we form this higher high caused by this range here. We had this high. Price refused to fill in an imbalance here, causing us to have this open price range here with a demand zone. And right here, you can see that we have equal low liquidity here. We have a bunch of liquidity here. You can see price rejected price from here. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bunch of equal low liquidity at this range here, telling us that there are a lot of buyers here that are trying to take the market upwards. So price is coming here. So what traders will also feel is that because they see price retested from here, they will want to get in from here, to continue the buy. So what we normally do is we wait for price, because when institutional traders wants to get in the market, they create a trap like this. So from my own experience, what I normally do is I wait for price to come, sweep out the liquidity, because these guys, their stop losses are around this range here. So price comes, sweep out the liquidity before moving to the upside. So what I would do is I would just put my entry here and my stop below this range here, below this low here, and my target can be this zone here. So this is a perfect 1:5. So if I'm risking $1,000 on this trade, I'll be making $5,100. So let's see what this market will do from here. So as you can see, price took out the low, took out this liquidity here. Price has taken out this liquidity here, and you see how this candle closed as a sweep, and we have this break of structure here to the upside. Close as a sweep and form this break of structure here to the upside. You can also see how price came back to retest this imbalance candle here. So I'm going to talk more about imbalance because it's another concept that would help you be profitable in the forex market. And this is our target here. So let's leave the market to play out and see what happens. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more content like this, do ensure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so if I drop more educative content like this, you'll be aware of it. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time.